Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to my channel. And today is a pick a card reading. This will be your May 2024 energy check. A lot is happening at the planetary level, so I thought of making this video. Let's see how the energies are playing around you. So you need to pick one of these two decks. This is Tarot Delanoy. I'll start with this, and then we have Mythic Tarot. So I'll start with Tarot Delanoy. Make your choice, whichever deck you want to go ahead with. Yeah, take your time. You can pause the video and then decide. I'll start with the first card. All right. So hi to everyone who chose Tarot Delanoy, the first deck. Let's see. Okay. All right. So we have Page of Wands. I'll come back to this deck once again. So this card wanted to come. So Page of Wands. Some bold, courageous action, surge of energy, message, an important message is on its way. All right, so that becomes your anchor message. Ideally, it was supposed to be from this Tree of Life card. Okay, let's begin. Let's see what else do we have as your anchor card. Yeah, we have Star. So Star is number 16. Mother Tara, and it's a healing card. It's a wish fulfillment card. So if you have been wishing for something, you've been asking for something, the prayers are being answered. It is almost like that. So some message you're receiving, maybe a message from somebody who wants to reconcile with you, or there was a wish that you had, and that message, somebody, so you wished for something or someone, and that is in the form of Page of Wands is coming back, sending you a message. Okay. All right, let's see. A wish fulfillment, a manifestation in the form of message. Or if you're planning to take some bold action in your life, it's time to begin. If it's a health issue, the Star and the Page of Wands are saying that your health will be taken care of, but your action is required. There is also something that I'm sensing with Ma Tara here is, seek protection. Maybe you can do some sort of healing for protecting your energy. Maybe you can do some sort of pujas or something like that on a daily basis, even if it is just for 2-3 minutes. But on a daily basis, just protect your energy. Seek protection for your energy. Specifically, have that intention and protect yourself. So we have 10 of Hearts. Yes, some sort of manifestation, some sort of things that is very like something that you really desired. You wanted it in your, specifically in the relationship matter, or maybe investment matter, money matter, something that you really wanted, a desire of yours is coming to fruition. But because of this presence of Page of Wands from Tarot Delanoy is quite, it's a very bold energy. It's an energy which is very different from the Page of Wands, traditional Page of Wands. Usually the Page of Wands are very childish energy, full of energy and full of spiritual that fire. Okay, here Page of Wands is that I want my manifestation. I am ready. I'm like, I've done everything possible. I'm doing everything possible, and I need it. So, some sort of that manifestation is coming your way. Just keep your energies protected. Five of diamond. Five of diamond means maybe it has to do with something to do with your relationship aspect, something that you really desired, you felt abandoned. If it is a health matter, your health is improving. You need, if it is a money matter, you are rejoicing. If it is a relationship or an offer which is coming your way, just be very sure that this is for your highest good. Okay. Then we have yeah, that is what I was telling you. Seven of clubs is a very defensive energy. So whatever comes your way, you may on the face value it is very good. It can be a very good offer also, but probably as per the cards, there is some sort of protection and healing which is required. Okay, so you need to seek protection, seek healing, do your healing. If you know it, if you don't know it, get the healing done. Okay, so some sort of defensive energy you're being asked to keep, and that is why Mother Tara was coming up. Powerful thoughts and war. See, so your thoughts are very powerful, and that is why manifestation is happening, and that is what is Page of Wands and Ten of Hearts is confirming along with Star card. But having said that, there is also war. Okay, so just see which thoughts of yours are progressive, peaceful, giving you more openness and flexibility, which is supporting your life, helping you to develop. Because this war is basically a war with people or within your own self. So it can be a mental war that is going on, wherein you feel abandoned, you feel you need to be defensive against things. At times when we feel empty, any opportunity that comes in, we just take it. Here, I would like to warn you that it's very important for you to trust yourself, because your thoughts are very powerful, and your manifestation is on its way. You will have options, of course. So do not give in to anything that comes your way. Okay, choose your options and battles wisely during this month of May 2024. See, open your heart. So have that flexibility that there are more options that are coming my way, and I need to trust the whole process. Should not hurry up, because of this abandonment feeling. Okay, whatever comes up, I'll take it. No, you will have more options, because war is also tussle between options. Competition between two options, three options, 10 options. Obsession, yeah. So options, obsession, open your heart. So O is basically a circle, zero, emptiness, nothingness. So maybe you can just focus at nothingness. So empty your mind if possible. So when I say empty your mind, it does not mean that you have to shun all your thoughts. It's just that you have to be, you need to focus on your so focus on your breathe and just go a little silent. Obsession, open your heart, options, all of it is giving me something. Physical wellness, yes, there is a health related issue also, but it is actually talking about recovery from that health issue. Okay, so but obsession has to do with mental frame of mental frame. So that is why you need to have more of flexibility, and this war which leads to this obsession, continuous thinking, powerful thoughts. So these are some mental work that you're doing. So a lot is playing out around. You need to trust your power, trust your energies. You need to seek protection, seek healing, so that you can consolidate and then decide what is good for you. Let's see what light messages do we have. Horus, cosmic gateway. Your thoughts are magnetic. See, powerful thoughts. Yeah. So it says, your thoughts are magnetic and powerful. Miraculous changes are occurring. That is what was manifestation. 10 of Hearts, Page of Wands, Ma Tara coming up. So a lot of changes, miraculous changes are happening that you cannot even gauge at this point of time, how things are playing out for you. Okay, but trust the cosmic, the divine, seek protection. Maybe you can chant Ma Tara's mantra. You'll get it on YouTube, but make sure that you're not listening. I'm talking about chanting a mantra. Use your voice. Many people just reported that yeah, we are doing it, but basically they are not doing it. They're listening it from YouTube. Learn the mantra yourself and chant it yourself. Okay. Oh, High Priestess. Yeah, trust your intuition. trust your energy. Do not open your cards to people. When this obsession and war, mental war comes in, trust the fact that your thoughts are magnetic and powerful, and there is a cosmic support which is around the corner. So just be open in your heart, have faith, even if you don't see things materializing immediately. Trust it, because overnight miraculous changes are occurring. So miraculous changes do not take time, it just take that particular shift of your own mental framework. Yeah. Page of cups, so some offer coming your way. So we have two pages, so some messages coming your way, some maybe apology, in the form of apology. Maybe somebody comes up and gives you an offer, or a conversation happens, and things start to move faster. Okay, so trust your intuition, see through it, which option is good for me. Yeah, so do not be immature, because page energies are quite immature. So you need to use high priestess energy, the mature energy of and star energy, to decide what is good for you. Then three of cups, so yeah, that is what. So friends are coming up, celebration is there, you're reconciling with people from the past, or new people, whatever the scenario be. Okay, but there is a relationship aspect, there is an offer, there is if it is a money matter, then you are receiving a investment, or a job offer, or some sort of promise is being made to you. So two of wands, so two of wands also, if you see, she's holding a skull. It seems, usually traditionally, two of wands is like planning your life, exploring your life and thinking about it. But here it seems that she's manifesting it. She's just like page of wands. This energy also seems to be very powerful, as if ready, the manifestation is almost there. She knows that she has already manifested. Usually two of wands is not even a step, it's not an action thing, it's a mental thing. But here it seems that she has already done the work, and manifestation is already there. And then we have six of swords. So yeah, you're moving away from a troubled emotion to a calmer emotions, and give yourself time. So the next 6 weeks can be very important for you. I think your journey already started in the Aries season, which is like March end, or maybe April, and the next 3 months will be important for you. Okay. Yeah, till July. So we have page of cups here, 10 of hearts we had, 3 of cups we already have. So somewhere around till June, till July, seek protection, do healings, receive healings. Make sure that you take care of your health. Make sure that you the offers that are coming your way, there are many offers coming your way, so do not stay put with just one or two options. Make sure that you gauge, weigh all the options. Take somebody's advice before you finally take a decision. Okay. Let's see what time has to tell you. This card wants to come. No moon, so Amavasya days will be very important for you. So usually Amavasya days are taken, are the days when you don't start any new thing, rather you contemplate within, just like high priestess. You go within, you ask for ancestral healing, ancestral blessings, you connect with your own self, that nothingness that we were talking about. Yes, see, the manifestation is coming up. Yes is the card for you. One more, please. Rainy season. Yeah, July. So I told you May, June, July, right? So the next 3 months, rainy season will be very important for you, wherein you will receive that, by that time, you would have already received what you have been asking for, and you would have already decided which one is good for me. Okay? So, all right. So this is what I have for you. I hope this helps. Please like, subscribe, and share this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Hey, hi everyone. I hope you're doing well. This is for the people who chose the new Mythic Tarot. Let's begin with your reading. Okay, let's see what major energy, anchor energy you have for May 2024. Okay, this card wants to come. The Hangman, Tyag. So basically, you are waiting to gain perspective, to gain wisdom. You're waiting for the right time to come before you respond. Okay, and that is that is the wisest decision one can take. Okay, so this is like waiting, meditating, gaining perspective, gaining wisdom. So kind of. At times this is also kind of self-sacrifice, um, sacrificing on things that are important for you and giving yourself a halt, so that you can think thoroughly. Okay, let's see. And also this can include people whom you love. So maybe you were concerned about people whom you love, and probably a situation requires you to think differently, and that is what is Hangman here. Okay, six of hearts for you. Yeah, it has something to do with family members, people you love, your friends. Five of so we have five of diamond, which is to do with feeling of abandonment, health issues, um, money constraint. So it seems that something is happening in your close knitted environment. It can be your business, family relationship, or any love relationship which is very close to you. Some memories are there, and you're trying to you feeling abandoned. You feeling, or you are abandoning everything just to gain perspective. Yeah, so we have Queen of Hearts. So yes, this has see, that is what I was telling you, that this has something to do with okay, one more interesting aspect I'm getting from here. Okay, just a sec. So yeah, this has something to do with how you feel within. So Queen of Hearts is always a very motherly energy. It's a very intuitive, silent energy, very loving, caring energy. So I think you care about people, and that is why you're taking a step back before you take a major decision regarding that relationship or that particular aspect of your life. It can be money related also, because we have five of diamonds here. So you get something which is very dear and near to you. You taking stock of it and taking time before you take a decision. So you're being Queen of Hearts. You want to nurture. You want to take time before things fall apart. Okay. And probably for that you are ready to sacrifice yourself in order to protect others. So that also can be a reason. So I do sense concern. Okay, what is it? Stop. Yeah, so this is actually telling you that it's time for you to really stop all your mental activities, eternity, and connect with the eternity, connect with that infinite potential that you have. And that is what is Hangman telling you, and Queen of Hearts telling you that trust your intuition, go into your silence, think about the situation thoroughly before you take any um, decision. Do not be in a hurry. Okay. And okay, so yet another important thing that was coming up: the next 11 to 13 days from now is very important for you to take this decision. So there is a major decision that you have to take in the next 10 to 13 days from now. um, and for that, it is important for you to stop all your mental activity, and connect with your infinite potential, your be the Queen of Hearts, um, and then take a decision. Okay. So manifestation, yes. Listen deeply. See, So we have this listen deeply. I was telling you that connect with your own self, go into your silence. So listen deeply. Okay, what is there in your heart? Dreamy, yet another card, dream or dreamy. Trust your dreams, okay, because your intuition, the heaven will talk to you through your dreams. And different dimension, yeah. So different dimension is almost like a dreamland for you. So so you may experience some sort of space out, zone out kind of a deja vu things happening. So listen deeply to your heart, because there are higher beings, psychic beings, divine beings who are trying to help you out. So listen to them. Okay, because your manifestation is coming up. It's just that you're too involved in your current situation, that a lot of mental activity is happening, and it is time for you to get center your energy and become more nurturing towards yourself. And simultaneously, yes, of course, take care of people you love. Yeah, healing, see, divine healing, Hilarion, yeah. Honor your sensitivity, retreat to recharge and heal. Your light can support others, right? So this is what we were talking about up till now, that retreat to recharge and heal. So do not overthink, just go into your silence, take some time out. I understand your job, your business, your family will be at stake if you take break, but that is very important for you, because through your dreams you will connect with the different dimension, you'll connect with the divine, and you will be able to, if you listen deeply, you will be able to manifest the life that you want. You will be able to solve the issue that is going on. Okay, let's see what are we having from the tarot card. You chose Mythic Tarot. Let's see. Judgment, yes. So there is a chance that there is a second chance you're getting on your life. There is major karmic balance happening in your life. So you need to trust, you need to just stretch your hands out, and be in nature, be with divine rather than being with somebody else, because at this point of time your life is taking a transitory phase. It's taking a complete, it is completing a complete, it's turning around in circle. So a major shift is coming up, and you need to be connected with your inner wisdom. So what is it? Ace of Pentacles. So yeah, something that you really value a lot, something of great value, something related with money, something that gives you security, name, fame, family, health. You are being guided towards that. So manifestation was a card that was coming up. So you will be able to make a lot of, like, you'll be abundant, more abundant. And when I say abundance, it is not just money abundance, it is relationship, health, overall happiness, peace, security. That is what is coming up. You're getting a second chance on life. But you need to really make sure that you retreat and heal yourself rather than being in the chaos that is going on. Just take a break, just stop everything, take a break for 2-3 days, and just see how the next 12-13 days work out for you. Okay, Hierophant, yeah. So Hierophant's coming of Hierophant is a confirmation that the universe is with you, so you should not worry about what to do, how to do, and things like that, because there are a lot of angels and divine beings guiding you. And I think the kind of planetary movement that is happening, everybody is feeling a little disconnected with themselves. And similar, almost similar readings happen when even the personal readings are also happening on the similar line and length. A lot of disconnect is happening for people. So it's important for us to connect more with our inner core. Okay, let's see what time has for you. Say infinity, you have infinity coming twice, infinity or zero or eternity, it's the same, right? So you have to connect with your infinite potential, get into that. Zero means that blankness, that emptiness, that nothingness, and infinity is wherein you have everything, and you are aware of that, that you are everything. Okay, so it is a very strong message which is coming up. If you see here in Judgment card also, the way the snakes are leapt over on its stick, it's like DNA, right? It's like Kundalini Shakti. It's like it's that same infinity symbol. Okay, One more, please, for them. 3 months. So see, yeah, 3 months from now. So May, June, July becomes very important for you to achieve this balance, to achieve this healing, and trust that the healing energy is already working in your life. It's just that you have to have a little bit of, you need to get out of your own healing. A lot of cards fell down. Oh, a lot of energy mismatches there. So I'll pull these two cards only. Seven of Swords and Four of Swords. So you need to relax. So Four of Swords is a card of healing, resting, rejuvenating. We had a message, retreat to recharge, honor your sensitivity, your light can support others. So if you really want to support others, your family and your work, and you care about people, it's very important to first take care of your own self. And Seven of Swords here, usually, it is a card of deception, but here what I'm getting is ignore what needs to be ignored. Not everything, if not every battle is yours for the next 3 months. Your battle has to be with your own self, with your close knitted family. Also, from there, also, you have to take a break every now and then, so that for the next 3 months you are connecting with that eternal light of yours, that eternity, that infinite potential that you hold. So ignore few things for at least for these 3 months, and do not participate into every battle that comes up for you. Okay. All right, so this is what I have for you. I hope this helps for you people. Please take care of yourself and share this video. Bye bye.